Carl Sagan famously said, "The universe is a pretty big place. If it's just us, seems like an awful waste of space." In a quest to find other civilization, Frank Drake wrote an equation in 1961 called the Drake equation. Here is the equation. The n here represents the number of stars in our Milky Way galaxy. The term Fp represents the fraction of stars having planet around them. The Ne term represents stars having planet suitable for life. This term represents planet having the right condition and even evolving life. The Fi term represents the planets that have evolved intelligent life forms. And Fc represents the planets whose life form are capable of communicating with us. And Fl is a duration in which the civilization communicates. Let's say they are like us, they're trying to find life elsewhere and they don't find any, so they get bored and stop their quest in finding extraterrestrial, or they have destroyed themselves or something of that sort. Putting numbers in this equation will give you an estimate of how many civilizations there must be living in our Milky Way galaxy, and trying to communicate is just a rough estimate because the terms that we mentioned here, we don't know the correct answer to them. We are just estimating a value for each term. So now let's just put in numbers. Our Milky Way galaxy has around 100 to 400 billion stars, and let's say 50% of the stars have planets around them. The number of planets in that planetary system that can sustain life. Let's take one, as in our solar system there's only one planet that we know of having life on it, that's the Earth. Let's take 40% of those planets evolve life forms, and 20% of those planets evolve intelligent life form, fraction of which try to communicate. Let's put 20%, and the planet duration, let's put 100,000 years. When we calculate this, we get 32,000 stars in our Milky Way galaxy having possibility of civilization looking for us. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for all the future videos. And as always, stay curious, stay awesome.